Hello, everyone, and thanks for viewing my recording. This assignment was a little bit difficult for me at first because I was trying to understand exactly what we were supposed to do. But in understanding that we were trying to find an assessment tool for teachers to use, in my search, I found a lot of programs for teachers that taught basically like a public school or high school level. I didn't find any assessment tools for adults. So I decided to do another search and try to look up like maybe a survey type of an assessment tool. And there I found several. One that I saw that I kind of knew about was SurveyMonkey, and then another one that I found was this eSurvey Creator. I decided to go with the eSurvey Creator because I was unaware of the program, so I thought it would be a good way to learn about it. With this eSurvey Creator, a professor can go in and choose a different type of survey that she would like to perform depending on what she's looking at. If she wanted to do closed-ended questions or multiple style questions, she could do. Also, she would be able to actually initiate a survey to assess her teaching, like if the information was too basic or too hard. Did the students enjoy it? Or things that maybe she could have added on to the lesson. This program has a multiple of pricing. You have a basic, you can go up to personal and pro, and the tiers depends on the amount of surveys that you want to do and questions that you want to ask. So that definitely depends on how many classes you're teaching, how many surveys you would like to do. Again, this is uncharted territories for me because I had no idea. I'm just used to the basic test questions after a lesson, but there are definitely alternatives now that I see that I would explore to try to use in hopefully when I become a teacher.